Ini-imagine ko, no? Kung hindi na siya binalikan ni Jesus, ano na kaya nangyari kay Peter? Siguro bumalik na siya sa dati niyang buhay. Naranasan ni Peter yung forgiveness. So 3 beses, I do not know him. I am not part of that person. I do not know what you are talking about. And the Lord turned and looked at Peter, eye to eye. Kung tayo si Peter, siguro, hindi ka makatingin sa Panginoon sa iya. And Peter remembered the word of the Lord, how he had told him, before a rooster crows today, you will deny me 3 times. And he went out and wept bitterly. Pero fast forward, nung nag-resurrect si Jesus, anong nangyari? Muli siyang binalikan ni Jesus. Blessed is the person na yung kasalanan niya pinatawad. Ganon din po yung mga nagkasala sa atin. Kung ayaw mo siyang patawarin, alam nyo, yung buhay niya hindi nagiging maayos. Tayo rin, we are also imprisoned with that unforgiveness. Kaya sinasabi po ni Peter, ako naranasan ko yan. Binigyan ako ng second chance ng Panginoon. Pinuntahan niya ako. Muli niya akong ibinalik sa Kanya. And that's the essence of forgiveness. It requires, love requires genuine forgiveness.